2024 gave us one of the wildest endings in National Football League history. Let's talk about the Hail Maryland. October 27th, Washington Commanders versus Chicago Bears. Rookie quarterback Jayden Daniels, playing hurt, is down 15-12 with just 2 seconds left. From his own 35-yard line, he scrambles for 13 seconds, dodging defenders, and launches a 52-yard bomb into the end zone. The ball is tipped by a Bears defender, but guess what? Noah Brown grabs it for a miracle touchdown. Commanders win 18-15. They called it Hail Maryland, and it instantly became the 2024 National Football League Moment of the Year. Pure magic. Like and subscribe for more football insanity. What's your favorite moment of 2024?